Tardigrade. This tiny creature, often called a water bear, is known for its extreme survival abilities. It can enter a state called cryptobiosis, where its metabolism nearly stops completely. In this form, it can survive for decades without food or water. Its body dries out and protects itself until conditions improve, making it one of the most resilient life forms on Earth. Cave salamander. Living in dark, nutrient-poor environments, this animal has adapted to long periods without food. It moves very little and slows its metabolism to conserve energy. In some cases, it can survive for years without eating. This ability comes from its stable habitat, where food is rare but conditions remain consistent. Crocodile. Crocodiles are powerful predators, but they do not need to eat often. Their bodies are highly efficient at storing energy, and they can slow their metabolism when food is scarce. In extreme situations, a crocodile can survive for months or even a few years without eating, relying on stored fat and minimal movement. Snake. Snakes are built for patience. After a large meal, their metabolism slows down significantly. Some species can go for many months, even up to a year or more, without eating again. Their ability to remain still and conserve energy allows them to survive in environments where food is unpredictable. Scorpion. Scorpions are small but incredibly resilient. They have one of the slowest metabolisms among land animals. This allows them to survive for long periods, sometimes close to a year, without food. They reduce activity and wait quietly until prey becomes available again. Turtle. Many turtles can survive long periods without eating, especially during colder months. Some enter a state similar to hibernation, where their body processes slow down. During this time, they rely on stored energy and can go for many months without food, sometimes close to a year depending on the species. Camel. Camels are often associated with survival in the desert, and while they are known for storing water, they can also go without food for extended periods. Their bodies store fat in their humps, which can be converted into energy when needed. In harsh conditions, they can survive for several months with very little to eat. Bats can survive without food for a limited time compared to some other animals, but they use a different strategy. During colder seasons, many species enter hibernation. Their heart rate drops and their energy used becomes minimal. In this state, they can last for months without eating. Whale. Large whales, especially during migration, can go for long periods without feeding. They build up massive fat reserves before traveling across oceans. During these journeys, which can last for months, they rely entirely on stored energy. This allows them to cross vast distances without stopping for food. Penguins, particularly those living in extreme cold regions, can endure long fasting periods. During breeding seasons, one parent may stay with the egg or chick while the other hunts. The one staying behind can go for weeks or even months without eating, relying on stored body fat. Humans can survive without food for several weeks, sometimes up to 2 months in extreme cases. However, this depends on access to water and overall health. Unlike many animals, the human body is not designed for long-term fasting, and extended periods without food can lead to serious health problems.